Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add text to video in Premiere Pro. So it's pretty simple. I will show you right now. First of all, you will have to have a clip in your timeline. Then click on the clip, press button T on your keyboard, or just go right here, type tool T, and then select and drag the area where you want your text to appear. So for example, you can create area this big, or as well you can create smaller. As you can see, this graphic layer right here has been appearing, and this means that all the way through from here to here the text will be visible. So let's now type the text. So click in this field and type your text. So my text. Now as you can see, you can select it like this and then go over here to effect controls, click on it. If you don't see it right here, then go over to this drop down menu and click on effect controls right here. Then simply go over to text, click this drop down arrow, and then select your font. So for example, find some good font, select it. Then you can go ahead and center it like this, center it like this as well. Then you can change the size of the text. So I will make it a little bit smaller, and then spacing between letters. Then you can make it bold, for example, and you can also adjust the color fill. So I will choose red right here. Okay. Now as you can see, it's red. I will also make it capital. So it's pretty simple. And you can also create a stroke by checking this field. And now you can make it wider or thinner and change the color of it as well. So let's go with this one. Then change the stroke as well. You can also select the background and make it black, for example. So it's up to you, really. So thank you for watching. You can see you can play with it a little bit more if you want, and you can also place this text where you want and make it larger so it appears in all of your video. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.